Chessnut Evo, how to play. For fast offline solo play, select Bot Match from the main screen. At the top, pick the type of AI opponent you want to play against, then the variant you want. If you pick Board Editor, you can configure any setup you want by placing the pieces on the board, picking which color has the current move, and whether or not players can still castle. Below that, pick which color you will control. Then, select the AI difficulty. Add a time control and adjust the AI search depth if you want. Then, hit Start to begin. When playing, the computer will light up the squares to indicate its move along with a spoken audio command. Control the volume with the side buttons. You can use the Analysis toggle to display a score line graph, providing additional information about the game's progression. The Evaluate toggle lights up spaces on the board when you pick up one of your pieces to assist you in determining a good move. The Lightbulb button gives you a hint for a good move by lighting it up on the board. The flag allows you to surrender the current game. To stop a game, tap the back arrow and save your progress to resume later. On the main screen, swipe from the left to sign in to your Chessnut account. This unlocks more features. Online Match allows you to connect with multiple chess platforms to play against other people over the internet using the Chessnut Vision feature to control the game with your physical pieces. The Analysis mode allows you to set up any specific scenario to get specific AI engine insight into the best next move. Engine mode allows you to download new AI engines to use for playing, and you can even train a brand new engine to fit a specific style or difficulty. Career mode allows you to progress through a new career and improve your elo with dynamically matched AI to fit your level based on your performance. Record mode allows you to revisit previously played games to either continue where you left off or for more in-depth analysis. The Chessnut Evo allows you to play out any endgame scenario you want. Each chess piece is equipped with its own chip, enabling the device to recognize the position of the pieces instantly. This eliminates the need to set up the board from scratch and makes it easier to study chess positions and analyze game sequences.